Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an Amazon haul. I love watching Amazon hauls, and these are just some of the things I picked up recently and I thought I'd share. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So I have been obsessed lately with organizing, and I saw this on Amazon and was like, yes, please. This is the most beautiful sort of skincare makeup organizer for your bathroom or your vanity. I cannot wait to start organizing. And I just thought this was so beautiful, kind of cream color. I feel like it will just go anywhere. And it just looks clean and pretty. And I just can't wait. It has these little drawers, so I can put lipsticks. And then in here, I'm gonna put my skincare and my foundations, other makeup items. So I'm really excited. Here, let me take this off. That was satisfying. That is beautiful. So I'm really excited to organize all my makeup. I just did a huge Sephora event haul, and I want to make my beautiful looking makeup so neat and organized. So I picked this up. If you guys would like to see me do a video organizing all my makeup, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do that with you guys. And keeping with the theme of organization, I picked up this beautiful, it's a brush organizer. So you put all of your makeup brushes in here. It's so pretty. And you put this pretty little dome on top, and it just keeps all the dust off your makeup brushes. So pretty. So next I picked up this makeup brush. It's an electric makeup brush washer. Yes, please. I'll take two. No, just kidding. But this is so great. So you fill the water up to the max. You add your makeup brush soap, and then you turn it on. You stick all of your brushes in here. And of course, the brushes go in there facing down so they can be washed. And you just turn this little button on. I can't wait to wash all my brushes. I might do it twice. This is fun. Anyway, I'll link all this stuff down below. This video is in no way sponsored, but I will try to link everything in case you want any of it. I don't want you to not be able to find it, so I will do my best to link everything. This is really neat, so can't wait to wash all my makeup brushes. It's gonna be so much fun. So next I picked up these Impress nails, and I got different colors. I really love these beautiful kind of spring summer shades. The nails I have on right now are Impress, and I recently just fell in love with them. I put them on when we went to Disney World, and I was just amazed how well they stayed on, how they looked like real nails. I always get the small size, not the medium. The medium for me don't really work well, maybe because I have longer nail beds, but you can see my natural nail under the medium ones. These are size small, and I just really love them. They're just so easy to put on, and they stay on. So I went ahead and picked up some more since I was so impressed with these. I was like, you know what? Let's get some more. So I picked those up as well. Again, they're called Impress. You don't need nail glue. You just peel off the little tabs on each nail and press them on. And I mean, I've had mine stay on for 5 to 6 days without any issues at all. So I think these are really good. So next I picked up these 24 karat gold eye masks. These are super soothing. I have bought them before, so this is a repurchase for me. They're really, really nice. They come in a very large pack. So I just really love these. They're very refreshing. I gift these in little gift bags when I take like a hostess gift to someone. I'll put a couple of these in. Anytime I give my mom a gift, I'll put some of these in there for her as well. She loves them as well. They're just really good. Now it does claim that it's designed for fine lines and wrinkles. I don't know if I've noticed it reducing any fine lines and wrinkles, but it sure does make my skin feel really, really soft and smooth and fresh. And I really enjoy these so much. So now this is a repurchase for me. This is the Zulay Kitchen. This is the Milk Boss electric milk frother. I have probably repurchased this 3 or 4 times. They pretty much have a lifespan of about 6 months to a year. And I have bought these every 6 months to a year since. They're really good. And I feel like they're about $10. They can go all the way up to $20 depending on what design you pick up. They have a plethora of colors and some of them are really beautiful. I just stick to black. These are usually $9.99, and that way, you know, if it dies after 6 months, I'm not mad about it. And they're just really good. I mean, it doesn't have a battery, so I can't really show you, but they just froth your milk. Whips up your coffee, mixes everything nicely. You can use this for protein shakes if you want it. It's just really convenient. I use it solely for my coffee, and I love that it comes with a little stand. I just put it next to my Keurig, and it's so good. Next, I picked up these amazing microfiber hair towels. My little girl has long hair. It's so long and pretty, but it just, I mean, it takes forever for it to dry. But if you wrap her hair in one of these, it dries in half the time. It is so good. So they do come in packs of 3. I picked up 2 3-packs. I have started using them. It just makes my hair dry so much faster, and then I don't have to blow dry it as long, which can be quite damaging. And they have a variety of different colors you can pick up. These are life-changing. I love these so much. You won't be disappointed if you pick these up. They are so, so good. Okay, so I saw this little cutie and picked it up for my handbag. This is the lighted makeup mirror, but it's tiny. It's so cute. I have a large makeup mirror in my bathroom that I get ready with every morning, and I just love the lighting on it. So it does have the on-off here, and then it is so stinking cute. Look at that. Lights come on, and then when you close it, they go off. Isn't that cool? You can see how it goes up right there. So, so good. I am so excited to put that in my handbag. So because I'm obsessed with handbags, I had to pick up this adorable bag charm. I guess it's technically a keychain or a bag charm. You do you. But I will probably use this as a bag charm. It is so pretty, you guys. Most beautiful little peacock. Isn't that beautiful? And you can either put your key on it, or you can hang it on a tote bag or handbag. And I also picked up yet another one. Oh my goodness, this is so cute, you guys. Look at that. So adorable. My daughter's gonna fight me for this one. I have a feeling she's gonna want it for her backpack. I might have to get her one. So that is another little bag charm. So pretty. Love it so much. So that was my Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Till next time. Bye, guys.